Vanisa Shahid. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Technologies, and I am here to demonstrate my AI project named as AI powered personalized recipe generator. This innovative AI based chatbot is designed to help users quickly and accurately find recipes of different dishes along with some other relevant details based on their queries. Let's get started. To begin, let me give you a brief overview of how this AI model works. This model processes user queries regarding recipes and retrieves relevant information based on the queries. It provides basic information of dishes, its ingredients, complete recipe, cooking time, effectiveness of the recipe, and some relevant recipes. It also generates recipe according to users' health and diet preferences. Let's have a look on the working demonstration. I have implemented this model using two different LLMs. As you can see the both interfaces on my screen, but the one with OpenAI's LLM GPT 3.5 Turbo 0125 is more efficient and fast as it is the latest version of GPT 3.5 Turbo. So I am going to demonstrate that. First go to your browser and search this address. So I am searching this address again. This will take you to the personalized recipe generator. Next, let's input dish name first to make a query bit simple. For example, I will write chicken biryani here. As you can see, it will provide a brief description of biryani, its ingredients, complete procedure along with the cooking time, its effectiveness, and furthermore the relevant dishes along with the brief description. To check the capability of this model, I am opting the approach of simple to complex with small variations. So for this, what I can do is to make the query a little more complex. As previously, I provide the dish name directly as an input. This time, I will provide some ingredients without the name and ask for the relevant recipe. For example, I will ask, kindly give me a recipe that has some ingredients following that has some following ingredients along with other ingredients, maybe chicken, cheese, then pickle can be optional, cucumber slices. I think that's all. Now this time it will first provide me the recipe name, and all other information is same as the previous input. This time the model fetches the dish name first according to the provided ingredients and then gives all the relevant details same as the previous output. But now this time these details are for new recipe, as you can see on the screen. Now if I divide the capability testing of this AI model in 3 levels, then the third and the most complex level can be the one in which no details like dish name and ingredients are provided. This time the only input will be the user's personal preference regarding his meal. After providing the preference, ask the model to generate the recipe according to the provided preferences. Let's write a query for this, and the query can be being a gym member, kindly provide me the recipe of a meal that contains low carbs and high proteins. I think this should enough, and now you can see this time by only providing the preferences, the model provides me the complete recipe, first of all recipe name, and then complete ingredients along with the procedure and all other relevant stuff. All above this time model suggests the meal along with all information, as I have already told you. All above discussion demonstrate that this model is highly effective in handling complex queries as well. I also instruct the model in such a way that it will not respond any query that is not recipe related. For example, if I ask the model regarding, maybe tell me current stock market trends, and the response is I am not trained on such stuff, so ask me something regarding recipes. To summarize, this model has the potential to revolutionize meal planning by providing timely and personalized recipe recommendation. It enhances the cooking experience by suggesting the perfect recipes based on recipe name, its ingredients, and individual preferences. That's all from the demo of this personalized recipe generator. Jazakallah